Great. Thank you so much, Dante. Thank you, everybody that's here today. Yeah, just a little bit about us. So we are, in essence, we are a 100% design studio. Just a little bit about myself. I've been in the industry for about 16, 17 years. We came from a very strong graphic design background, worked in various agencies, above and below the line type of advertising. And as time grew on, I realized that I had more ambition. I wanted to start my own company. And as usual, what happens is you start freelancing, you realize the capacity becomes too much, you start bringing the freelancers in, giving them retainers, you get so busy and you start employing those people with retainers. And so our little studio has grown. At the moment, we are 5 full-time designers. I primarily work as client liaison and creative director, making sure that all the designs come out perfectly in the end. So today, I think the best thing that I want to do is I actually just want to show you what we have done for a client. So I'm going to do a case study and show you what we are capable of doing. So for this specific client, just firstly, some introductions. So this company is a private investment fund, and they specialize in property development and investment opportunities. So as a designer, you always have a few things that you need to keep in mind. You have a timeline. Something needs to be produced within a time and space. Then there's a specific software that needs to be used. So that's what makes us specialists, is that we use very specific design software. And then also there's various roles. So depending on if you collaborate with another agency or if this is your own private client, we can come in various levels. So this specific client, as you can see, the logo right here in the bottom left is what the original identity looked like. So they developed that sometime in 2006, and they had a very specific target market, which was a very low-end investment market. And the main CEO came to me and said, Chris, we need to up this. We want to be premium. We want to be boxing with the big boys. And I said to him, well, the first place we need to start is what you actually look like. What are you showing people? And as you can see on the right, this is what we developed for him. We moved away from just a normal gray to a more silver. We brought in gold, we brought in black, and it just all of a sudden, it gave him a lot more of a premium feel. So his problem was he needed to elevate his brand and then everything else that goes with that. So just to show you what we actually did for this client is, we developed their logo. Then we developed what they call a CI doc. That's short for corporate identity document. So that talks about all the various styles, the rules about it. So if any designer gets this styling doc, they know exactly how to not mess up this client's brand. So that's really what it's all about. Then we developed marketing material. We did publications for them, digital design, all their stationery. We also developed the website design for them. We didn't actually develop it out. And then also we did the design for the mobile application that they were using. Now, everything starts off with research. It starts off with scribbles on the wall, on napkins, wherever. We start off with actually framing everything out. Then the next thing is to actually go and make sure we look at all the correct audiences. So firstly, demographic. Where's this client from? Where is his client from? Location. We look at the type of income. We look at online behavior. So these are all things that you bring into your thought process when you start doing a design. So it's not just creating a pretty picture. It's also making sure you understand the client and you understand the client that's going to be paying money. A big part of what we do, and this is what I sort of promote week in and week out, is our user interface design. So where we do the wireframing, we do the full website design, and then we do what they call prototyping, is where people can actually see what the website looks like before it's gone to developers to code it out. As this is a very cost-effective way to see what your design would look like, and then this gets signed off. So this is where we work really well with development teams, is where we do these first 3 sections, and then the developers take this and they go and develop the sites out. As a result, this client was able to reinvent themselves with a new look and feel. They could now target the desired target market and was able to do it with confidence. So that's just really what we're trying to do. We're trying to get people to reinvent themselves, reinvent their business, because maybe since 2006 they were giving a really good product, but because they reinvented themselves, they were able to actually reinvent themselves and get a whole new target market. Now they can sell a product at a very much higher price. And that's through the awesome way of doing it through design. And it was actually such a cost-effective way to elevate their brand. So just in final reflection, we specialize in enhance our to enhance brands from start to finish. So we have a dedicated team of designers that have over 16 years of experience, and we're always open to collaboration. We also do pure outsourcing, or we partner up to get the perfect client to produce the perfect product. Our aim is to design solutions, and we make sure that we stay on brand. It is such an important thing for us. So please talk to us if you really want to take your brand to the next level. If you have a software or a digital product that you want to make look amazing, that's where we come in. We come in and really lift it from normal design to the next level. Ideal referrals are software development companies that outsource their design, or they want to partner with us to create a better product. Also private clients that are looking to really reinvent their brand from A to Z. That's where we come in and assist them with that. And that's Chris Pretorius from Vision Render Design Studio in Cape Town. Thank you.